Hi friends and viewers, welcome to Nachi's YouTube channel. This is me, Chef Nachi. Today, this video is going to be exclusively for the people who bought my online cooking course in Udemy platform. It is called 6 Basic Gravies for 1000 plus gravies. So I have shown 6 gravies in that Udemy course. So among that 6 gravies, I have already shown you 4 types of gravies, how to convert that 4 gravies into your signature recipes. So today is going to be the 5th one, Kadai Masala. So with this Kadai Masala as a base, I am going to make Karahi Vegetables. It's a kind of mixed vegetable dish which is a very popular dish in all over the Indian cuisine. So it is going to be very interesting. Let's see how this preparation is. So before that, one more important information. So now for this preparation, I have already made and kept the Kadai Masala. So if you want to know how to make this Kadai Masala, then you can go and visit the Udemy online platform. In that, I have posted a course called 6 Basic Gravies for 1000 plus gravies. So you can able to learn that 6 gravies which is very basic for the Indian kitchen. Once you learn that, you can master any recipes. So now, get into the recipe. So for this mixed vegetable Karahi Masala, I have took almost 6 types of vegetables and I have already boiled and kept. So make sure you boiled it nicely. You should not mash the vegetables, then otherwise the texture of this gravy will be messed up. So I have took carrot, beans, potato, cauliflower, green peas, mushroom and also batten shaped onion, tomato and capsicum, and you can use tricolor capsicum. Even you can use paneer, that is completely your choice. Let's keep the pan. Once it is hot, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, which gives the smoothness to this gravy. So it's always better to add butter and oil together to avoid burning. Once the oil is heated, for tempering, I am just adding Shah Jeera, which gives a nice flavor. If you don't have Shah Jeera, you can always add the regular cumin seeds. Once the Shah Jeera got crackled, add ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon. After the ginger garlic paste, I am adding the onion which I have kept, capsicum, saute it for hardly 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I am adding the tomato. For this preparation, make sure you cook the vegetable in a firm way. It should not get mashed and we should not over saute it. Now I am adding all the mixed vegetables which I have boiled and kept. See how colorful it is. This preparation is goes very good with any kind of Indian breads as well as pulao, vegetable biryani. Saute it. Now I am going to add the masalas. Add the required amount of salt. I am adding 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Then this is Karahi Masala, which is a special powder for this preparation actually. If you don't have this masala, you can always add chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder all together. So if you have Karahi Masala, add 1.5 tablespoon, which gives a nice flavor. And after this, I am adding kasur methi, that is methi leaves, 1/2 teaspoon. Saute it. Now at this stage, I am adding tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon, which gives a nice red color as well as a little sweetish taste to this dish. If you don't have ketchup, you can always add sugar, 1/2 tablespoon. Now with this, I am adding the Kadai Masala, which is already prepared and kept. So if you have this Kadai Masala inside your fridge, this stays for almost 2 to 3 weeks. It doesn't get spoiled. So for all the office going people and the bachelors, it is very easy for them to make any kind of dish within a 15 minutes span of time if you have this Kadai Masala ready in your fridge. At this stage, we have to add little water. It has to be a semi gravy. It should not be too thin as well as it should not be too thick. It give it a good boil for almost like 2 minutes. See, our vegetable karahi is ready. Just 10 minutes. So once your vegetable and kadai masala is ready, that's it. So see, I have not broke any vegetables. You have to maintain the shape. That is very important for this recipe. Now I am switching off the flame and let's transfer this in a serving container. Serve it with a pulao or bread. It is the best recipe for lunch. Yummy! Finally, garnish it with a lavish amount of chopped cilantro. That's it. Super awesome. Vegetable karahi masala is ready. So with the same type of preparation, you can able to make chicken karahi, mutton karahi, mushroom karahi, even paneer kadai masala. And one more thing I forget to tell you, karahi is another term for kadai masala. So we can call it as vegetable kadai masala. So please try out this recipe and let me know in my comment box how it has turned out for you. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting me, and the people who are watching my video, please give me a thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe my channel and click that bell icon so that all the updates of my channel will get to you. Thank you.